A new day, a new tragic record. As the highly infectious Delta variant continues to spread, Russia's COVID wards continue to fill, primarily with the unvaccinated. Images of patients infected with the coronavirus have become a fixture on Russian news programs, but they have done little to convince a skeptical population to get vaccinated, forcing the authorities' hand. Moscow's mayor joined other regional leaders, declaring an 11-day soft lockdown for the capital, closing bars, cafes, theaters, and other public spaces. It coincides with a federal week-long work holiday and stay-at-home orders for the elderly and vulnerable. Authorities hope the short firebreak will help them weather the pandemic's fourth wave. Health experts welcome the announcement, but warn it's too little, too late. 11 days isn't enough at all. It's another example of a half measure, and an attempt to please everyone. But you have to keep public health in mind. In the current situation, we can't use abstractions. We're talking about real deaths, real illness, and long COVID. We have to put a stop to it. Vaccinations with Russian-made Sputnik V have increased in recent weeks, thanks to government mandates and new restrictions, doubling to around 300,000 a day. But overall, only around a third of Russians have gotten their first shot. Of the rest, some say they'd rather wait for an international vaccine, but around half don't intend to get vaccinated at all, including many medical personnel, provoking growing frustration among the country's medical community. People aren't behaving correctly. It's sad to see it. Russia produced a great vaccine, Sputnik V. I have full confidence in it. Sputnik is comparable to vaccines produced in the West. Why don't people use it? I really can't say. Frustration is also spreading among many in the service industry. The branch was especially hard hit by previous lockdown measures, and now they say they're paying the price for Russia's vaccine hesitancy and preparing for a long winter. We're looking at how we're going to survive the next lockdown. I think everything is going to be much harder, because everyone understands this is just the beginning, and it could go beyond the 8th of November, but we're just going to have to deal with it and take it as it comes. As the Delta variant continues to spread, government officials warn Russia's fourth wave is only likely to get worse.